Memorizing programming syntax is moving from a core requirement to a legacy skill. The time spent hunting down a missing semicolon is being traded for a different kind of labor. This shift is driven by vibe coding. In this environment, natural language acts as the primary interface, allowing developers to describe a feature and watch the AI build it. As manual typing of code recedes, the role of the developer is centering on orchestration, the strategic management of AI agents to achieve a specific outcome. To help developers navigate this transition, an open-source GitHub curriculum called EasyVibe has emerged from the datawhalechina community. The project has already gained significant traction, surpassing 10,000 stars, by offering a structured path into this new engineering workflow. The repository operates on a simple guiding philosophy: if you can talk, you can build apps. By removing technical syntax as a barrier, the curriculum suggests that the real value in software creation now lies in the clarity of the request. To master this, EasyVibe provides a 3-stage learning map that moves from basic prototyping to complex system architecture. Stage 1 is designed for product managers. It focuses on the early phase of development, moving from an initial idea to a functional, clickable prototype. Stage 2 targets indie hackers who need to move beyond prototypes. This level covers API integrations, debugging, and the logistics of full-stack deployment. Stage 3 is the master tier for architects. It deals with coordinating multiple AI agents and building out cross-platform delivery systems. As a user moves up this pyramid, they spend less time looking at raw code and more time managing high-level system design. This structure is intended to evolve a learner's mindset, shifting the focus from individual lines of code to the broader engineering logic. Since the AI handles the implementation, the human's primary contribution becomes the product strategy. This is why EasyVibe includes dedicated modules on product thinking, skills traditionally reserved for non-technical managers. The curriculum teaches frameworks like the MOM test to ensure there is genuine demand for a feature before any code is generated. It also utilizes the double diamond model, which helps a developer refine scattered inspiration into the kind of concrete directives an AI agent needs to succeed. These frameworks act as a critical safeguard, preventing the AI from efficiently building software that serves no actual user need. However, this workflow introduces a specific challenge known as the Blackbox Risk. Consider a founder who uses these tools to scale an application to thousands of users without ever reading the underlying files. If a security flaw or a database leak occurs, that founder may find themselves responsible for code they do not fully understand and cannot manually fix. There is also a significant cost of entry. True orchestration requires access to premium LLM APIs, such as Claude 3.5 Sonnet or GPT-4o. Relying on free or lower-tier models often leads to code hallucinations, which can break the application's internal logic. Despite these risks and costs, the efficiency gains of this workflow make it a central part of the 2026 software landscape. If you want to stop typing code and start commanding AI, hit subscribe and check the link below to explore the EasyVibe repository. See you next time.